Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the richness of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring a word that brings strong imagery to mind. The word of the day is abandon. Abandon is a verb, meaning to leave something behind or to give up on it completely. It's often used when someone or something is left behind with no intention of returning, or when someone decides to give up on an idea or plan entirely. Let's talk about a few synonyms to help you get a clearer sense of abandon. Words like desert, forsake, and surrender carry similar meanings. For example, if someone abandons a project, you might also say they forsake it or surrender their efforts. Or if a person leaves their pet behind, you could say they desert the animal. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that show the opposite idea. Words like keep, maintain, and continue contrast with abandon. For example, if someone decides to stick with a difficult project, they could say, I'm going to maintain my focus, or I'll continue working on it. These words show dedication rather than giving up. Abandon is a word that's used often in both literal and figurative senses in everyday language. For example, if someone says, I had to abandon my car because it broke down, it's clear they left it behind physically. On the other hand, if someone mentions, I decided to abandon my plans to move to another city, it shows they're giving up on an idea or intention. Another common way to use abandon is when talking about abandoning habits or routines. For instance, I've abandoned my habit of staying up late every night. Here are a few examples to see abandon in action. The hikers had to abandon their climb due to bad weather. Or, she decided to abandon her plans to travel and focus on her studies instead. You can also use it in a more emotional context, like he felt abandoned when his friends moved away. To sum it up, abandon is a verb meaning to leave something behind or give up on it entirely. Synonyms for abandon include desert, forsake, and surrender, while antonyms include keep, maintain, and continue. I hope you feel more confident using today's word in your own conversations. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you're enjoying our vocabulary journey, please subscribe and leave us a review. It really helps others find the show. Now, try using abandon in a sentence of your own and share it with us in the comments. I'm Alex, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.